It's Ko and Romualdez po.
Ano yan, basta we will follow the evidence.
Sir, ano yung mga ebidensya na nakita natin? Kasi before...
Hindi ko pa nakikita yung filing kasi dumiretso na ako rito. So what they turned over this morning, I haven't seen yet. So I can only act on it by Monday. Kasi I have another function to go to after this.
Can you say before end of the year, there will be filing of charges, sir?
There will be more charges filed. Marami kaming file na kaso. Marami na under preliminary investigation. There are at least siguro 15 cases right now
Before-
under PI. 14 or 15 cases.
Before end of the year yan, sir, the filing of charges.
Oh yeah.
About flood control yan lahat, sir.
Oh yes.
Ombudsman Maurice Umali po of GMA
Yes,
News.
yes.
Sinabi po kanina sa isang announcement ni Presidente Marcos na patungkol, and let me just quote, ito ay patungkol sa mga impormasyon ng dating Speaker Martin Romualdez at sa Zaldico. Pag nakita lahat ng ebidensya, baka mag-file ng kaso ng plunder o anti-graft o indirect bribery. Gaano na po kalakas yung hawak natin so
Yun nga,
far?
I have to look at the submission of the ICI today. I haven't seen it. I went straight here to the Senate. So hindi ko pa nakikita.
But definitely, mangyayari.
Mangyayari yun. Siyempre, pagkaaralan natin lahat yan. Ano ito eh. It's everything is based on evidence. Pag meron silang allegations doon na hindi suportado ng ebidensya, ikakalap muna namin yan para maging basis ng filing. Kasi paano ka mag-file kung wala naman We don't want to file weak cases.
Gaano-
The cases have to be properly vetted and prepared.
Gaano kabigat yung mga cases na possibly
I haven't seen it, so I cannot
Okay.
tell you what cases I will file. That's the recommendation of the ICI, but we will have to evaluate everything.
Sir, sorry, to be sure na, definitely mangyayari. Definitely kakasuhan nyo sila Ko and Romualdez.
Hindi nga, follow the evidence muna.
Okay.
O wag na, don't put words into my
Opo,
mouth.
sir, sabi niyo sa
Kaya tayo na mga ganyang tanong, di ba?
ano ang link sa pagitan ni Martin Romualdez at ni Zaldico? Just
He
for
was
the record,
speaker
sir.
and he was chairman of appropriations. As simple as that.
So malinaw na merong ugnayan?
Meron pa iba yan. Meron pa ibang factors na i-consider regarding the projects that were implemented.
How about Executive Secretary Lucas Bersamin and si Adrian Bersamin? Kumusta po ang investigasyon?
Ongoing.
Sir, yung mga sinabi po ni Orly Guteza dun sa Senate hearing, kailangan po niyang may pakita din ebidensya.
Hanapin pa namin si Orly Gutesa. We'll have to find him
Until now,
to
sir,
substantiate everything. Kasi nga, hindi siya nagpakita. He didn't show up at DOJ when I was the Secretary of Justice. So, hahanapin pa natin yan.
Sir, kung wala si Gutesa, posible bang humina yung
We will look at
case?
other evidence. We will look at other evidence. Ano yan eh? Hindi lang naman isang tao tapos kaso na, tapos na. Hindi po ganun. Ikakalap natin yan, mga kontrata, mga bidding documents. Lahat po yan, kailangan kompleto presentation sa korte. Ano yan eh? Ilalatag mo lahat sa korte yan para alam ng huwes na kompleto yung iyong pag-aaral sa kaso pinafile.
So yung videotape ni nasa laysay ni Zaldico, meron ba yung value or can you take
Wala eh, hindi naman siya sworn statement eh. Well, it gives us a few clues on what transpired from his point of view or in accordance with his state of mind.
Sorry to clarify, sir, habang hinahanap si Guteza, hindi magagamit yung mga sinabi niya na sa Senate?
Hindi, kasi di namin pwedeng gamitin yun kung di niya haharapan na sasabihin na itong affidavit na to, akin talaga to, at ako mismo nag-prepare niyan, personal knowledge ko lang yari dyan. Ganun yan eh.
kahit notarized, sir, yung statement.
Hindi nga, that's still not a notarized statement has no value unless sumarap yung tao para manumpa ulit.
Pero sir, sworn statement yung dun
Oh, pero
sa Senate hearing.
sa initial evaluation, it's a sworn statement. Pero para i-conduct namin sa PI yan at gamitin namin, kinakailangan manumpa rin siya sa harap namin.
So sorry, yung pong sa videotape ni Zaldico, masusundan ninyo as clue yung mga sinabi niya?
Well, we're looking at it already. hindi masusundan. Sinusundan na namin yung pwede namin magamit doon. Kung merong relevance talaga.
Kasi, sir, that...
Diba kasi ano yan eh? Ang yung isaldi ko parang crowdsourced information yan eh. Kasi hindi nga siya umaharap para harap. Dapat kasi humarap siya eh. Di ba?
Pero is there an effort to already coordinate with him para
Hindi.
panumpaan niya yun, yung mga sinabi niya?
Alam natin kasi, di ba? He's not coming home. Ayaw niya umuwi para patotohanan yung kanyang mga sinasabi.